Hey, beta, good evening, everyone. In today's lecture, we will try and discuss the income offer curve, angel curve, demand curve, and price offer curve or price consumption curve for different goods. सबसे पहले आता है normal good. Normal goods are those goods which have two properties. First, as income increases, demand increases. Second, as price increases, demand decreases. So if I draw the angel curve of this good, as income increases, demand increases. So if I take income here and this here, angel curve is upward sloping. If I take demand curve of this good, this is price, this is X. As price increases, demand decreases. So this is demand curve, right? Now let's talk about the price offer curve and income offer curve. For price offer curve, consider this case. Suppose X is a normal good and price of good X has decreased. So budget line will pivot outwards. Now demand of X should increase. So suppose initially I am at point A. If I want to increase the demand of good X, it means that I can be at B, that will increase the demand of good X. I can be at C, that will also increase the demand of good X. I can be at D, that will also increase the demand of good X. So this can be POC, this can be POC, or this can be the price offer curve. So the price offer curve can be upward sloping, horizontal, downward sloping, everything is possible. Let's now talk about the income offer curve beta. So when we talk about income offer curve, this is good X, Y. When income increases, budget line will pivot outwards. Since X is a normal good, जब income बढ़ेगा तो demand X का बढ़ जाएगा. So this is initially, this is new demand of good X. This can be my income offer curve. I will increase the demand of good X. Okay. So we can say that income offer curve will be upward sloping. Angel curve will be upward sloping. Demand curve will be downward sloping. And price offer curve can be upward sloping, downward sloping, or horizontal. Anything is possible. But let's talk about inferior good now. Inferior goods are those goods which do not obey the law of income. That means when income increases, demand decreases. But they obey the law of demand. माने जब price increase होगा तो demand decrease हो जाएगी. So when income increases, demand decreases, it means that angel curve will be downward sloping. When price increases, demand decreases, it means demand curve be downward sloping हो जाएगा. So when we talk about the angel curve, it is downward sloping. When we talk about the demand curve, that is also downward sloping. When we talk about income offer curve, beta, income offer curve is said to be backward bending. Income offer curve is said to be backward bending for your inferior goods. Good X, good Y, it is assumed to be backward bending. ठीक है बेटा प्राइस ऑफर कर्व क्योंकि लॉ ऑफ डिमांड से रिलेटेड है तो इंफीरियर गुड का एग्जैक्टली वैसा ही बनता है जैसे नॉर्मल गुड का बनता है तो तीनों केसेस आ जाएंगे. लेट अस नाउ टॉक अबाउट गिफन गुड फर्स्ट. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट गिफन गुड. ठीक है. So when we talk about giffen good में as income increases, demand of good X decreases. माने मेरा जो angel curve होगा बेटा वो downward sloping होगा. As price increases, demand of good X increases. It does not obey the law of demand. तो demand curve upward sloping होगा. क्योंकि every given good is inferior. तो इनकम ऑफर कर्व बैकवर्ड बेंडिंग हो जाएगा और गिफन गुड्स का प्राइस ऑफर कर्व भी बैकवर्ड बेंडिंग होता है. द प्राइस ऑफर कर्व इज ऑल्सो बैकवर्ड बेंडिंग फॉर गिफन गुड्स. सो इट मीन्स दैट दिस इज गोइंग टू बी your income offer curve will be backward bending योर एंजल कर्व बेटा हो जाएगा डाउनवर्ड स्लोपिंग, डिमांड कर्व अपवर्ड स्लोपिंग, इट वायलेट्स द लॉ ऑफ डिमांड, और प्राइस ऑफर कर्व हो जाएगा बैकवर्ड बेंडिंग, price offer curve will be backward bending. Apart from this, beta, you can also, there are less chances, but you can also be asked about other goods. So ये जो table यहाँ पे मैंने बनाया है, it covers the other goods also. Although only these three goods are more important, but आप ये बाकी के goods को भी एक बारी you can go ahead and you can revise them. ठीक है, but what is important from exam point of view is normal good, inferior good and given good. बाकी के भी आप एक बारी रिवाइज कर लेना फ्रॉम दिस टेबल. ओके बेटा, थैंक यू.